everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. Today, I'm here to treat on a topic C++. Yeah, many people do have issues solving C++ questions, but I'm here to make it easy and simple for you. So, first of all, when we talk of C++, it's a programming site, and there are four things in it that we need to understand. Yeah. One, which is include IO stream. And with the include IO stream, the IO stream over here, the I simply means input and the O simply means output. That is the IO stream. So include IO stream is a what? Input and output library. It's an input and what? Output what? Library. And using namespace. With the using namespace, it uses what? Standard namespace. That is using namespace. It uses what? Standard namespace. And with the int main over here, the int main is the main function. That is where you have to solve the problem here. That is the main function where all your programming words lies. And then we have something called cout. Cout is a what? Character output. That is the meaning of cout. And the in is what? Character input. And then we have return return 0 over here. So with a return 0 is what? A return value. It's a return value. So now we have a question, and this is what the question demands. It says write a C++ program that takes in two integers values from the user and calculates the sum, difference, product, and quotient using the appropriate operations. So with that, the question demanded is to what? Add, subtract, multiply, and the rest. And it's in the question it states that two integers values. So two integer values, and we don't know what the integer value is. So we started. This is the words include IO stream, and with the include IO stream, I said it's what is the output and input what library. So with this, let's dive straight into the int main, which is the int main. We're given two integers, but we don't know what the integer are. We don't know. So I did it number one. I named my integer number one and number two. So with the number one and number two, let's deal with the number one first. After that, we go to the number two. So with the number one, here is it, which is the cout. Enter the first integer. And my first integer is what? The number one over here. So the input is what? Enter first integer. That is the command I'm giving to the how do we call it? The site, so that he will answer my question for me. And then with the in is the words input. So this is the input and this is the output. So whatever you send in, the output comes here, which is the first integer. Same implies to the second integer, which is cout. Enter the second integer and then in the second integer as well. So here we dive down to this side, which is what? Cout. With the cout, the first data that we should what? Add. So with the sum, we all know what sum means in maths. Sum means addition. So you add. So which is cout sum. And then you add these two numbers. And then you dive down to the difference. Same way, we all know what difference are, which is subtraction, and we all know what product is, which is multiplication. And after you are done, the 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 question stated that we should know the values of the what integers. So after you are done writing all this, what you have to do is what you save. After saving, and then you compile it. You save and compile, or you can choose to compile and then run. But to me, I choose to what save it, which is Control plus S. I save it, and you realize it's in the folder I want it to be. So I want it to be in C++ folder. So wherever you want your folder to be kept, or your program to be kept in the folder, you have to choose the folder you want from your desktop. Yeah. So before you save it, it will appear over here, as in which is the Control plus S. It will pop up like this, which is file name. So with a file name, any name you wish to use, you can use. So let's see question one, or let's see explanation, or anything. Since we have main here, so let's do it main. Let's just do it main one or main. So with this, you save. So when you save, then you go to run. It's in the stop side. This one, it's what compile and what run. So you've compiled it, and then you've what round it. Do you get it? So you're running it ahead. So when you round it, you see it has appeared. Enter the first integer. So you see the C out is what? The output. So what we will type, as in, we don't know what the integer is. So we will now choose to take any number, and I choose to take 20, which is the first integer. I choose to take 20. So 20, and then you press your enter, and it will come again as what? Enter second integer. So with the second integer, I'll choose to write 5. So you realize when we're doing it, I wrote C out, enter the first integer. C out, enter the second integer. So these are the outputs we are going to see. We are what going to see. So after you're done with this, you press enter, and then it will run it up. So with the sum, we have what sum? The sum is 25. The difference is 15. The product is what? 4. And the quotient is what? Sorry, the product is 100, and then the quotient is 4. Then we are done for the programming. Just as simple as this. So anyone who says how do we call it? C++ is a difficult course to entreat. It's a lie. It involves practice. And it's very sweet and nice when you practice every day and then you know it. It's very nice. So I would like you guys all to practice and then do it. When time goes on, it will far we will say ever far. So this is all about C++. What the most things you have to get in mind is include IOStream using the namespace int main, and then the return 0. These are the main things you have to what put in mind. It's just as simple as that. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you are blessed with this video. Any question, you can drop it under the comment section, and I'll reply you. Okay. Bye.